Managing your online presence is an important part of controlling your experience on social media, and Facebook's active status feature is a great place to start. Whether you're seeking more privacy, minimizing distractions, or simply want to browse without announcing your activity, turning off your active status can help you take charge of your digital life. Let's walk through how this simple change can make a big difference and how you can easily turn it off step by step. When you're active on Facebook, your friends and contacts can see a green dot next to your profile or a timestamp indicating when you were last online. This is Facebook's way of letting others know you're available for chat or messaging. While this can be helpful in staying connected, it doesn't always suit everyone's needs. Maybe you want to avoid interruptions, focus on your work, or just enjoy a little digital downtime. The good news is you control your active status, and changing it is fast and straightforward. To begin, open your Facebook app or log in through your browser. If you're on your mobile device, tap the three horizontal lines in the bottom right corner to access the menu. Scroll down and tap Settings and Privacy, then select Settings. From here, look for the section labeled Audience and Visibility. Tap Active Status. You'll see a toggle. Simply switch it off. If you're using Facebook Messenger, open the app, tap your profile picture in the top left, and then select Active Status. Again, flip the toggle to off. On desktop, click on your profile picture in the upper right corner. Select Settings and Privacy, and then Settings. In the left-hand menu, choose Active Status and use the toggle to turn it off. Once you've switched off your active status, your contacts will no longer see when you're online or when you were last active. This means you can browse, catch up on posts, and respond to messages at your own pace without feeling pressured or watched. Keep in mind, though, that if you turn off your active status, you won't be able to see when others are active or recently online either. It's a trade-off that many find worthwhile for the added privacy and peace of mind. Why is managing your active status important? For many, it's about setting boundaries. Social media is designed for connection, but it can also be overwhelming. Notifications, messages, and the expectation to respond instantly can lead to digital fatigue. By turning off your active status, you give yourself permission to engage on your own terms. This can improve your focus, help you recharge, and allow you to use Facebook in a way that fits your lifestyle. At Famety, we believe in empowering you to make the most of your social media experience. That means not only growing your audience and boosting engagement, but also helping you find the right balance between connection and privacy. Whether you want to ramp up your visibility or take a step back, Famety has the tools and support to help you thrive on any platform. Remember, social media should work for you, not the other way around. Simple actions like adjusting your active status can refresh your online routine and give you more control. If you need help with other privacy settings, managing notifications, or optimizing your account for engagement, our live support team is here for you. And if you're ready to grow your brand, increase followers, or enhance your profile, Famety has almost limitless services to help you reach your goals. Take charge of your Facebook experience today. Whether you're boosting your presence or enjoying a little extra privacy, Famety is your partner every step of the way.